If you want to enable voice control on iPhone 17, all you have to do is open Settings. Next, we're gonna go to Accessibility, and then in here you should be able to find Voice Control option. And there we go. If you want to set up voice control, you just have to press Set up voice control over here. You want to press Continue, or you can adjust the language in case you need to. Over here we have some example commands that you can say out loud in order to do something on your iPhone when voice control is enabled. So we can say, for example, open Siri, open messages, open WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. You can also say open Control Center, close Control Center, go back, stop listening, and so on and so forth. Over here we can also find some instructions on what to say if you want to do something with on-screen items. Then we have the dictate and edit text, and interact with the device. We can turn up the volume, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check out these commands. And yeah, you can also use the voice control tutorial over here as well in order to find out everything that you need to know about the voice control. Here below we have some additional settings that you can go through in order to make sure that voice control is actually working as intended. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.